Got to ask this question. How can I get the email addresses of the people who I email or I reply to their email? How can I get those automatically put into my Google contacts without me putting them in there one at a time? Let me show you how the system helps you with that and what you can do. So first of all, whether it's Google Workspace or Gmail, if you go to settings, see all settings, and you go scroll down here, you should see an option right here, create contacts for autocomplete. When I send a message to a new person, add them to other contacts so I can autocomplete the next time I message them. That by default should be on. If you've turned it off, I recommend you turn it back on, and let me show you why. If I go to my Google contacts, you'll see I only have 15 contacts in here. But if you scroll down to other contacts, look what's here. Now I have to hide the email addresses so you don't see them, but there are 4 other contacts in here. Now I could take each one of those. Can I select them all? Yes, I can. I can select all of them just by going down here and select, and then go up here and say add to contacts. So they're in other contacts, but they're not in my full-blown Google contacts until I hit this button and add them to my contacts. Now, by the way, I don't need to select them all. I can go into them one at a time if I want to. I can say, and I can add to contacts. And then once I add them to the contacts, then I could go into each one of them where I want to, and I can update the information, put their full name, their phone number, put their business name, etc., etc. But the bottom line is, when you send an email using Gmail, free Gmail, or Google Workspace, each one of those email addresses ends up under other contacts, and all you got to do is select them or select the ones that you want and hit this icon right here and add them to your contacts. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. I hope this is helpful for you.